Hi, welcome to the scrapyard. I'm Red. Um, yeah, I got this. This is from the small scale group build. I'm calling it done. Came out all right. It's decent, and it'll do. I can see the attraction of the 132nd scale. They're quick and easy, and it's mainly a painter's game. Um, this one was missing a few pieces. I had to make headlights for it, and I still haven't come up with a steering wheel, but I'm looking. But I'm calling it good. Everything fit pretty decent for a Lindbergh kit. I think what the deal on these was is they were originally intended you'd buy them and cut them up, make it 132nd scale slot car with them. A few fitment issues. The main thing was the way the body went together. It was a four-piece body. You had two, had a left and right, and a hood and a rear back here. But the way the rear was, it was cut on a wavy line going down through there, and you had to feel it. See, I still got a little booger right there, but yeah, I didn't have. I lost the tail lights for it. And I had them, and I lost one, and but I've been looking around. I'll find something going there, like some 32, cut down tail lights, and they got it chipped in the paint. I always get snake bit on something, but it'll look good enough on the shelf. I mean, it's not the scale I usually build, and I'm liable to just give it away to a friend of mine who kind of has a few die casts and stuff. But that was a lot of fun. I mean, like I said, I could see the attraction of building in that scale. I mean, not very much detail. Well, I suppose you could get kits that had a lot of detail to them because I've seen some 43rd scale kits that were really super detailed. It reminded me a lot of building 135th scale military. I don't know if anybody noticed. I got different hubcaps on it. I painted two of them wrong. And, well, that's assuming the other two are right. You got big hubcaps on one side, smaller dog dishes on the other side. Headlights come out decent, man. I made those. There was some sprue that thick. It's some real thicker sprue, and I used a pencil sharpener. One of my little hand sharpeners. It's got two holes on it, one for a big pencil, one for a little pencil. And I just kind of put it in there at an angle and got the angle at its back close, and then finished it down with a file. And it don't look too bad. I mean, I hated it. I lost the stock headlights, but well, I didn't have any with it. Had one, but I think it turned out what it is. What it is pretty good. I mean, it's all right. But anyway, that's that. The Model T build starts, Friday. I don't know if anybody's interested in that or not, but if you are, you need to drop a video and put a hashtag on it so all of us can kind of keep track of it. And, I think what I'm going to build is I'm going to build the Green Hornet. And I've got this one. All the parts are there, and if they're not, this is vintage too. All the parts are there. If they're not, I have another one that's in rougher shape than this. But I don't know if I'll be building Green Hornet or not. Looks like it's already built. Could have swore I had one that was all parts. Well, that's what my idea was, but I don't think I'll be doing it. Like I said, it's already built mainly. Man, this thing's neat, man. It's got a multiple belt blower drive in it. I never noticed that before. Oh well. I'll come up with something. I got teas out the ass. But we'll see by Friday. Anyway, that's about all I've got today. The I've been kind of busy with other things. I haven't been doing any, haven't been putting any bench time in. The Fiat's about where it is, where it was. I've done very little to it, but and everything else, is where it's at. But yeah, you might do forgotten Friday for a month at my place. But, that's all I've got. As always, like, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and y'all have a good Tuesday.